Which choice completes the text with the most logical transition? Although those who migrated to California in 1849 dreamed of finding gold nuggets in stream beds, the state's richest deposits were buried deeply in rock, beyond the reach of individual prospectors. Blank. By 1852, many had given up their fortune-hunting dreams and gone to work for one of the large companies capable of managing California's complex mining operations. So the first sentence here describes how many people migrated to California dreaming of finding gold nuggets, but these gold nuggets were buried deeply in rock, beyond the reach of individual prospectors. And the second sentence here shows that because of this, many workers had given up their dreams and worked for the larger mining companies capable of managing California's complex mining operations. So the transition between these two sentences must emphasize the consequence or result of the information in the first sentence. A. Furthermore. Furthermore is incorrect here, because furthermore would imply that the second sentence will discuss how the state's rich deposits were beyond the reach of individual prospectors, but this is incorrect, because the second sentence discusses how the prospectors gave up their dreams and went to work for the larger companies. B. Still. Still is incorrect because still would imply that there's a contrast between the two sentences, when there's not, because the first sentence talks about how the rich deposits were buried deeply in rock. The second sentence talks about how because of this, they gave up their dream and went to work for the mining operations. So B is incorrect. C. Consequently. Consequently makes sense here because it makes sense that because the state's rich deposits were buried deeply in rock and that this gold was inaccessible to individual prospectors, that they gave up their dreams and went to work for the California's complex mining operations. So C seems to be the correct answer. D. Next. Next is incorrect here because next implies that the sentence will be the next step of a process, but this is incorrect because there is no process. The second sentence simply is a result or a consequence of the information in the first sentence. So D is incorrect. And the answer is C.